Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I have another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the huge food company General Mills. You may know them for their cereal brands. I do believe they make other breakfast and food items outside of cereal, but they are most known for their nice sugary cereals. They are hiring a customer operations specialist. Now, this is remote within the United States only. Of course, if you're interested in applying, this application page is linked in the YouTube description box. But they say their customer operations specialist manages select operational components for General Mills customers. These components are order management, service issue resolution, and just supply chain efficiencies. So they are basically looking for somebody to receive and process customer orders, ensuring that the orders are filled to meet the General Mills policies. You'll manage and resolve any service issues, identify and deliver solutions that both meet the General Mills and the customer needs. So it sounds like when they have issues with their orders, you will be on the phone with them, possibly resolving their issues. You'll work closely with customer operations and their sales team and the customer shipping team to make sure those orders are getting out, and you'll communicate with the sales and trade teams about invoiced pricing. Now, one thing to note, this position is going to require a bachelor degree, but it does not specify that it has to be in any specific field. You are going to have strong communication skills and be highly self-motivated. Since this is a work-at-home position, you'll have to be a problem solver and able to manage multiple responsibilities and demands in a fast-paced environment. So basically being a multitasker. Now, it does say applications within the United States will be considered. However, they cannot accept international remote working arrangements outside of the United States at this time. Now, if you do happen to hold a bachelor degree in any field, and this sounds like something you would like to do, their pay is anywhere from $48,000 a year all the way up to $66,100 a year. Of course, if this job lead was not for you, that is absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.